Hi, Attorney Jesse Crisp here, coming to you from Mill Valley in beautiful Marin on a beautiful day. You know, someone called my office and they asked, how long does a personal injury case usually take? And the answer I gave them is that it depends. It depends on the extent of the harm to you. See, after a crash or an injury of some sort, you may have some broken bones, you may have no broken bones, you may go to the hospital and they say, hey, there's no broken bones, and you may be sore for a while, but until we fully understand exactly what happened to you medically, your case isn't ready to settle yet. And insurance companies, they want to jump right at you and say, hey, here's some money, settle your case, make this go away right now, let's get this case settled. You know, we can give you good money today, but that is a trick to get you to end your claim, because the minute you sign their release, the case is over forever. And we tell our clients not to ever do that. You need to have medical providers fully clear your recovery, and we need to know exactly what happened to you, every single injury that happened to you, because in every single crash or every single injury producing event, the injuries to you can be different. For instance, you may have some problem in your shoulder, your joints, or your knee or your ankle, and you don't really know, or you had a broken bone and it's healed, but you don't realize that you're going to have post-traumatic arthritis in the joint, and after even the bone is healed up, after a year, you still are having problems with it. Those type of things are very common, more common than you'd think, and that's why you want to let time pass. And that's unfortunately why certain personal injury cases can take years. They really can. If you want the full value of your case, you have to allow time to heal so we can fully understand what happened to you. You have to go to your medical providers and treat, follow your doctor's orders until they say, look, there's nothing else we can do for you. But until that point, you really have to follow their orders. And it's really important that if you do have continued pain, that you go back to your doctor and you say, hey, I'm still having problems from that car crash. My shoulder's still hurting, my knee's still hurting, until they figure it out. Usually after about 6 to 8 weeks, if you still have problems in your joints and there weren't any broken bones, then usually you'll go get an MRI. And at that point, an MRI is going to show you what's going on in the soft tissues in your joint, and that'll help us figure out if there's something further going on. For instance, if you have damage to what they call the articular surface, the cartilage in your joints, or if you have some type of disc injury in your back or your low back, your neck, or you have some type of tear in your shoulder or tear of a ligament or tendon. Those are soft tissue things that won't show up in the ER, and only time will tell if you actually have those problems. So if it's been a while and you have a personal injury case and you're wondering, why is my case not settled? That may be a very good reason. If you are done treating and you're completely fine, your case can settle in a matter of months. That's usually a faster timeline. So anyway, if you have any questions, you know where to find us. Give us a call at crisplaw.com or go give us a call on the phone. Thanks. You can text us also. Bye-bye.